In this video, I'm going to show you how to create service account API keys for N8N. A service account is commonly used when you want to access Google services such as BigQuery or, more popularly, Google Chat. To follow along, you will need two things: a Google Cloud account and your N8N instance. Let's get started. The first step is to create a Google Cloud Console project or reuse an existing one. To create a new project, go to Cloud Google.com. If you don't already have an account, click Start Free, otherwise click Console. At the top left, open the Project dropdown, then select New Project. Give your project a meaningful name and click Create Project. In this example, I'll use an existing project, but the process is the same. Once your project is ready, the next step is to enable the APIs you plan to use. For this demo, we'll enable the Google Chat API. Open the navigation menu in the top left, scroll down to APIs and Services and click Enabled APIs and Services. From there, click Enable APIs and Services again, then search for Chat and enable it. That's all we need for now. With the API enabled, the next task is to create the service account. On the left-hand side, select Credentials, then in the bottom right, choose Manage Service Accounts. Click Create Service Account. Give it a simple name and description, then click Create and Continue. Permissions are optional. If you want to limit the account to a particular role, you can set that here, and Google's documentation provides more details. For this demo, just continue. The same applies to principals with access. This is an advanced feature we won't cover here. Click Done and the service account is now created. We now need to connect this service account to N8N. Head over to the Credentials section in N8N and create a new credential. Choose the service account type. It requires two pieces of information: the account email and the private key. To get the account email, return to the Google Cloud Console and click on the service account you created. Copy the email shown and paste it into N8N. Next, we need the private key. To generate it, click Keys, open the Add Key dropdown and select Create New Key. Keep the default JSON option and click Create. A JSON file will download automatically. Open the file in your preferred editor. Inside, locate the private key field. Copy everything inside the double quotes but not the quotes themselves. Go back to N8N and paste the private key in. Finally, rename the credential to something like Service Account and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Google Service account and linked it to N8N. Thanks for watching.